Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Weekly Tools. Today, we have something exciting to talk about: the latest innovation in automotive diagnostics, the MUCAR CS4 OBD2 scanner. We'll be taking a deep dive into its features, performance, and how it stands out in 2023. So, let's get started. If you're interested in purchasing this scanner, we've included a link in the video description below. First and foremost, let's talk about the impressive features that make the MUCAR CS4A stand out in the world of OBD2 scanners. It boasts a sleek design with a user-friendly interface, making it accessible for both DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, and the intuitive interface makes navigating through the scanner's functions a breeze. One of the key highlights is its wireless connectivity. With Bluetooth technology, you can easily connect the MUCAR CS4 to your smartphone or tablet, providing real-time data and diagnostic information. This wireless feature not only adds convenience but also allows for quick and efficient troubleshooting, saving both time and effort. Reads and clears codes from all engine systems, ABS, seniors, and transmission. This means you can get to the bottom of that pesky check engine light and avoid costly trips to the mechanic. Supports live data streaming, so you can see what's happening in real time. This is like having a doctor for your car, allowing you to monitor its vital signs and catch problems before they become serious. Performs a variety of service functions, like oil light resets and TPMs relearns. No more paying for dealership oil changes or struggling with tire pressure sensors. The CS4 can handle it all. Has a built-in battery, so you don't need to connect it to your car's battery. This makes it super convenient to use. No need to worry about cords or draining your car's battery. Comes with a free lifetime update, so you'll always have the latest software. Your CS4 will never become obsolete thanks to MUCAR's commitment to keeping you up to date. Now, let's talk about performance. The MUCAR CS4 is equipped with advanced scanning capabilities, providing comprehensive diagnostics for a wide range of vehicle makes and models. Speed and accuracy are crucial in the world of automotive diagnostics, and the MUCAR CS4 excels in both. Its fast processing speed and accurate readings ensure that you get reliable information for quick and precise repairs. Here are some pros and cons about MUCAR CS4. Pros: comprehensive system coverage, advanced reset and calibration functions, user-friendly interface, lifetime free updates, affordable price. Cons: limited support for certain car makes and models. Check compatibility before purchase. Overall, I'm very happy with the MUCAR CS4 OBD2 scanner. It's a powerful and versatile tool that can help you save money on car repairs. If you're looking for an OBD2 scanner, I highly recommend the CS4. In conclusion, the MUCAR CS4 OBD2 scanner is a cutting-edge diagnostic tool that combines style, functionality, and performance. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a car enthusiast, this scanner is sure to meet your needs. Stay tuned for more reviews and updates here on Weekly Tools. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive reviews and tech updates. If you have any questions or if there's a specific product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comments below. Until next time, drive safe.